I'm Kelsey Brennan-Wessels for ESA's Web TV, and today we're speaking with Jean-Yves Le Gall, who is the president of the French space agency CNES. Now, Jean-Yves, I understand that there is a new directorate at CNES. It's the Directorate for Applications, Innovation and Sciences. You've also hosted Innovation Day. Why this focus on innovation?
In fact, we have today a space sector worldwide which is changing very quickly for two reasons. The first one, more and more people are involved in space in different countries, in particular emerging countries, because the cost to develop a space system is lower and lower, and so there are more and more actors. The second reason is that we have what is so-called new space, with a number of new companies coming from the internet world and entering into the space market with a very disruptive approach. And if us space agencies want to resist and to continue to exist facing this new competition, we have to invest deeply in innovation and to attract new people using space systems, but coming from outside, and to explain to them why space is so interesting. And this is why I decided to create in CNES a direction of innovation, applications, and also science, because science is a fantastic way to develop new uses of spaces, new technology, and so it makes a wall and it works.
Now, what are some of the highlights coming up for CNES in the next months, not only for this directorate, but for CNES on a whole?
Oh, for CNES, we have a permanent highlight. You saw this pavilion at the Paris Air Show when we focus on innovation, climate, exploration, cooperation, inspiration for young people, and so on and so on. But we will have a number of very important events, starting in August with the launch of the French-Israeli satellite Venus to observe vegetation. After that, in October, we will have a number of conventions just to involve newcomers of the space arena, and so on and so on. Next year we will have, of course, the launch of InSight with NASA for the exploration of Mars, and day after day we are continuing to build Europe in space within the frame of ESA, which is quite interesting.
Now, next month, I understand you are going to become the chair of the ESA Council. Can you tell me a bit about what that role entails and some of the hot topics coming up?
First of all, this is a very big honor, because when 22 member states elect you as the chair of the council, of course, for me it has a lot of value, but we have very, very exciting challenges in front of us. The next 2 years are going to be tremendous in terms of challenges, because we have the preparation of the ministerial of 2019 to continue all what is ongoing, and the years to come are going to be probably the most exciting in the history of ESA.
Now, I understand you'll also be visiting ESA's Esrin Center for Earth Observation in Italy. What will you be discussing there? Can you tell me a bit about Earth observation between CNES and ESA?
In fact, CNES is the first partner of ESA, and ESA is the first partner of CNES. And this is the case in the field of Earth observation. And what is performed today in Esrin is absolutely outstanding, in particular with Copernicus. The images of the last Sentinel-2B are absolutely beautiful, and they've been shown in different occasions. And so we have to discuss with Joseph Barrer of the future of our cooperation.
Now, as somebody who has made his career in the space industry, what is it about this that inspires you?
We are today in a period which is very interesting, because there are more and more uses of space on planet Earth, but also more and more ideas to go beyond planet Earth. The mission of Thomas Pesquet on board the space station has been a great success. We start to think about exploration to the moon, to Mars, and so on. And I am sure that the coming years are going to be very, very exciting, because space is entering in a new era, and ESA is a key player of this new era.
Well, Jean-Yves, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And to our viewers, remember that to learn more about space, you can visit our website at www.esa.int.